Hello, friends.
Welcome to the English Booster channel
Here you can learn English with simple stories.
and easy conversations.
My name is Alex.
And I am Imli.
We are your English practice partners,
In this channel, we speak simple English.
so beginners can understand easily.
Today, we have an interesting story.
Yes, something strange happened to Imli.
This morning at the vegetable market,
Someone followed her.
I was really scared.
But the ending is surprising.
Do you want to know what happened?
Then watch the full story.
And practice English with us.
Let's start the story.
Alex, are you free?
Yes, Emily, what happened?
Something strange happened today.
Strange? Tell me.
I feel a little scared.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Promise you will not laugh?
I promise.
I think someone followed me today.
Followed you? Really?
Yes, at the vegetable market.
Start from the beginning.
Okay. This morning I went to the vegetable market.
To buy vegetables?
Yes, tomatoes, potatoes, and spinach.
Sounds normal.
At first, everything was normal.
Then what happened?
I noticed a man.
What about him?
He was looking at me again and again.
Maybe he just saw you.
No, it felt different.
Why did it feel different?
Because he was standing near every shop I visited.
Really?
Yes. First near the tomato shop, then near the fruit stall.
That sounds strange.
Exactly. I started feeling uncomfortable.
Did he say anything?
No, he just watched.
What did you do then?
I tried to ignore him, but my heart was beating fast.
That must be scary.
Yes, I quickly paid the shopkeeper. Then I started walking home.
And?
He started walking too.
Behind you?
Yes, behind me.
Did you look back?
Yes, I looked back 2 times. He was still there.
That is really scary.
I started walking faster.
Did he also walk faster?
Yes, that made me very nervous.
I can understand.
My hands were shaking.
What happened next?
Suddenly, he came closer.
Oh no.
I thought something bad would happen.
Then what?
He called me.
What did he say?
He said, "Excuse me."
And?
He was holding something.
What was it?
My wallet.
Your wallet?
Yes. I dropped it at the tomato shop.
Oh wow.
He was trying to return it.
So he was helping you.
Yes. I felt so embarrassed.
What did you say to him?
I said thank you many times.
That was kind of him.
Yes, very kind.
Sometimes we misunderstand people.
Yes, I judged him too quickly.
But your fear was natural.
True. Still, I learned something today.
What did you learn?
Not every stranger is bad.
That is a good lesson.
Yes, we should be careful, but we should also be kind.
Exactly.
Today, I met a good stranger.
And you got your wallet back.
Yes,
That is a happy ending.
it really is. Alex, next time you must come to the market with me.
Sure, but this time, don't drop your wallet.
Deal. Emily, you were lucky today. Yes, I was very lucky.
Many people would not return the wallet.
That is true.
Did you check your wallet?
Yes, I checked it.
Was everything inside?
Yes, everything was there.
Money too?
Yes, even the money.
That man was very honest.
Yes, very honest.
How did you feel after that?
I felt relieved.
Relieved?
Yes, my fear disappeared.
Did you thank him?
Yes, I thanked him many times.
What did he say?
He just smiled.
That is nice.
Yes, his smile was very kind.
Emily, today you told the story very well.
Really?
Yes, your English is improving.
Thank Thank you, Alex.
Practice helps a lot.
Yes, practice is important.
That is why we talk in English every day.
Yes, it helps me learn faster.
Emily, many people want to learn English,
Yes, that is true.
but they feel shy.
Yes, many beginners feel shy.
What should they do?
They should practice simple conversations.
Just like we do.
Yes, simple sentences help a lot.
Friends, if you want to improve your English,
Then practice with us
watch more videos like this.
and learn English step by step.
If you like this story,
Please support our channel.
like this video,
Share it with your friends.
and do not forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to the English Booster channel.
We bring easy English conversations for beginners.
Every video helps you speak better English.
So keep learning with us.
See you in the next story.
Goodbye, friends.
Bye.